guys, I hope you're all doing good and welcome back to another exciting episode of What is Your Hobby. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at all the basic patterns used in embroidery, and by the time we finish this tutorial, you'll have all the basic skills that you need to jump off for your first embroidery project. So let's dive right into the video and see what's in store for us. Guys, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to do backstitch and running stitch. First, let's start with backstitch. The backstitch is a thin line stitch commonly used in outlining a design. It's super easy to learn. You can also use this stitch if you want to add fine details to your embroidery work design. First, bring your needle through the front of the fabric and take a stitch to the right. Bring the needle back to the front of the fabric, a stitch length to the right, and then pass the needle through the back of the fabric using the hole at the end of the first stitch. Use the hole at the end of the farthest right stitch to bring the needle back to the front of the fabric. I use this stitch for text as it makes the text easier to read and it's more uniform. Repeat until you're done. Also, you can backstitch to the left or the right any way you prefer, but try to the right first to get the rhythm down. Great work, guys! Now let's move on to the next pattern, that is running stitch. Running stitch, also known as straight stitch, is mostly used to create an outline of an embroidery design. It is also super easy like the backstitch. Place the needle through the fabric and bring it back up to the top side from the bottom side of the fabric, weaving the needle in and out or up and down of the fabric like how I'm doing it, and repeat the process until you're done. You can make the stitches long or short or randomly placed depending upon your design. I use this stitch for framing or for the things that I want to seem open and airy. I don't recommend this much for text because it can be a little too spacey. You can either do the standard up and down or push the needle through and make several stitches at once. For beginners, I recommend using up and down method until just you get a hang of spacing. That's it, guys. I hope that was really helpful. If you want to learn more cool patterns, go check it out on our website, and don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe and turn on the notification, and I'll see you in the next video.